Hey guys, I was in Kmart the other day and I came across these Fairykins and I thought they were really cool, so I actually picked up 3 sets. There's a lot more in the collection, including a really big set which I like, and if these review well I'll definitely get some more of them, and they're really affordable. So the one we're going to look at today is the Firefly, and I picked this up for around $9. Before we go ahead and open them up, we'll first check out the packaging, and it says Fairykins, and under that it says Dare to be a Fairy. In the bottom right hand corner we have a picture of the Firefly, and in the bottom left hand corner it says press here, and we'll just take a look at that shortly, and these figures are recommended for ages 4 and up. On the side of the packet we have some of the other characters which are available. And on the opposite side we have some more characters. Moving on to the back of the box, it says, so you thought you knew everything about fairies? Think again. Peek through the thickest brambles of the blackberry bush in the heart of Firwood Forest, and there you will find Honeysuckle Hideaway, the secret home of the Fairykins. Now these aren't your regular run-of-the-mill fairies, no timid wing flapping, no hiding behind flower petals, no letting people think you don't exist. You see, with Fairykins, you've got to dare to be a fairy. And to the right we have a picture of Voltessa and Night Lightwing. Okay, so we'll first take a look at Voltessa, and she has these yellow antennae on the top of her head. And her hair is done in dark blue with a purple streak in the front, and I'll just give you a 360 of that. And what I really love about these Fairykins is they all have these hilarious expressions on their faces. Her wings are done in purple, yellow and pink, and they have glitter through them, and I'll just show them from the back. Her outfit is really cute. The top half is actually painted on, and it's done in blue with these yellow lightning bolts on it, and the bottom half is done in a purple tulle with glitter through it, and it has a purple ribbon tied around the side. And all the Fairykins come with bare feet with no shoes included. Voltessa comes with 5 points of articulation, including her head, her arms, and her legs. She also comes with 2 accessories, including this yellow umbrella. And here's a closer look at it, and I really love the handle. And what's also cool, she has no problems holding it. She also comes with this book called Magical Fairy Dust. It has a little quill there on the side and a little bookmark. And there's also a little strap where she can hold it. Moving on to the Firefly, and his name is Night Lightwing. And we'll take a closer look at him, and on top of his head he has these purple antennae which are curled over. His face is really cute, and he has big green eyes with a green face. And the back of his head is done in purple. His main body is also done in purple, and he is standing on his hind legs. On his back there he has these grey wings with these yellow and blue designs. And under that we have another set of wings, and they're done in yellow. And they also have these designs embossed on them. There's also a seat on his back for Voltessa to sit on. On the side there we have a little button, and when you press it, his back lights up. Okay guys, that was a look at Voltessa and Night Lightwing from the Fairykins collection. If you'd like to see more in the set, just let me know and I will review them for you. And until next time, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you same place, same time tomorrow.